Integrating your goals is nice so that progress is automatically updated. This is why we offer, for example, an advanced Google Sheets integration, but also why we offer native integrations with tools like Jira, Asana, and Power BI. However, keep in mind that you'll never be able to integrate all of your goals, and the downside is that integrations do not allow you to add important context to your progress updates. This is why it's important to know that we've made it super easy with Perdoo to update progress for goals that are not integrated. Every time you log in, you'll land on your home view. Here you can always see how many goals you have to update. As a reminder, on the My Goals tab, you'll find all the goals that you are leading, and when you are leading a goal, you are responsible for updating progress for it. When I click the Update Now button, Perdoo automatically filters out all the goals that are due an update. You also see that they have an Update Due button right here. When I click that button, I can update progress, and you see here that I added a data source. When I click that data source, it opens a source in a new tab where I can then easily copy-paste progress into Perdoo. You see, this is just a few clicks and just a few seconds to do. The benefit of updating progress manually is that you can then also add context right here. That context is being resurfaced in a person's or team's progress report, as you can see here on the right. That context is of course super valuable. To add a data source for your key result initiative or KPI, simply open the goal and then here on the right hand side under data source, add the link.